Okay, so I'm only making this video as a complaint to Bangood to explain what the hell's wrong with the CNC machine that they sent me. So, firstly and most importantly, the two support structures that go either side of the CNC machine do not have a recess drilled out here and here to accept this guide rod and this guide rod. The recess has been drilled on the wrong side. Yeah. So, and because of that, you can see, and it's the same on this side, you can see that it stands very, very proud. I can't make this good by drilling my own recesses because it'll just come straight through. So, as you can see, it's the same on this side. The recess is on the wrong side, which means that the guide rod sits proud this side and then sits too proud this side. Secondly, the instructions that you've given me are clearly for a different sized bed, and because of that, the instructions here say I need to be 46.5 millimeters from the edge of the rear. And as you can see, I've gone 46.5 millimeters from the edge, which places the entire CNC center point here, which I think, as you can see, is a bit too far. Can anybody see the difference between what that looks like and what that looks like? Yeah, different sizes. Okay, so I mean, I think I can figure that one out by figuring out where the center is from this point to that and moving all this across, but that doesn't matter because, as you can see, motor goes on the right hand side, everything goes in that way, i.e. right hand side, everything goes in that way. So my axes, if I switch this over to that side to compensate for the recesses that don't exist on these things, my motors are going to be back to front. So what I need from you, Bangood, is two new structures. You call them in the instructions Bakelite C and Bakelite D, but I need the recesses for the guide rods to be drilled on the correct side. Thank you.